Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are someone who values your online privacy, or maybe you just want to stream content from anywhere in the world, you have probably heard of NordVPN. But is it really worth the hype? Is it really worth the money? In today's video, we are going to dive into everything you need to know about NordVPN, its pros, cons, and all the key benefits. By the end, you'll know if NordVPN is right for you. So let's get started. Also, I do have a link for NordVPN in the description box below with a crazy offer that I'll talk about later on in the video. So the first thing is first, what exactly is NordVPN? Simply put it is a virtual private network that keeps your online activities private and secure. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or connecting to public Wi-Fi, NordVPN encrypts your connection and masks your IP address, making it harder for anyone to track what you're doing online. With over 5,000 servers in 59 different countries, NordVPN gives you the ability to unlock content from around the world. Whether you are trying to watch Netflix US from abroad or you're trying to protect your personal data while you are on a public network, NordVPN offers a fast, reliable, and secure solution. Now let's talk about why NordVPN is such a popular choice for millions of people worldwide. Here are the key benefits that make it stand out. First up, super fast speeds. Many VPNs slow down your connection, but with NordVPN, users often report minimal speed loss, even when the connection is to a server halfway across the globe. So whether you're streaming in 4K or gaming, you won't experience any lag or buffering. Second, military-grade encryption. NordVPN uses AES 256-bit encryption, which is the same standard used by government and top companies to secure sensitive data. This means your online activities are kept private, even from your internet provider and hackers. Third, unlocking content. NordVPN is known for being able to bypass geo restrictions. Whether you are trying to access content from Netflix, Hulu, BBC, iPlayer, and other streaming platforms, NordVPN makes it easy to access content as if you were in that different country. Plus, it works well with popular streaming platforms, so you won't be left in the dark with region-locked shows and movies. This is great for people that watch a lot of shows on Netflix. If you have access to all the shows worldwide, you'll be able to watch a lot more content that is currently not available in the US. And lastly, double VPN and cybersecurity. If you're super cautious about your online security, NordVPN offers a double VPN feature, which routes your traffic through two different servers, adding an extra layer of encryption. They also have cybersecurity, which blocks ads, trackers, and malicious websites, giving you an even more secure browsing experience. Now, as much as I love NordVPN, no service is without its drawbacks. So let's talk about some cons to consider. First is the price. NordVPN is not free, but the value that it provides is, in my opinion, is worth every single penny. And pennies is what you'll be paying with the amazing offer that I have for you guys today. So if you use the link in the description box below, you'll be able to get 77% off of your plan, which is absolutely amazing. Plus 3 months absolutely free. And did I mention there's a full 30-day money-back guarantee? So you can try the service out, see if you like it, and then decide if you want to keep it or not. So when we compare NordVPN to some other big name VPNs out there, you will see that NordVPN has the fastest connection speed. Also, it has the most VPN servers. So let's quickly break down the cost of how much NordVPN will cost you. So NordVPN has a couple of different plan options. They have 1-month plans, 1-year plans, or 2-year plans. If you are looking to get the best possible deal, I highly suggest you look at the 2-year plans. So when we take a look at the most popular option, you will see that it only costs $3.09 a month, but you also get 3 extra months absolutely free. So if you want to get it for the 2-year plan, so it is like 2 years and 3 months, it will only cost you $83.43. So around $80 for 2 years worth of service. In my opinion, this is a crazy deal and definitely worth the money. Second, while NordVPN does offer offer apps that are super easy to use for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. But if you are running Linux, chances are you will need some technical knowledge if you want to install it. But any other system, you simply install the app just like any other and you can start using it instantly. So how does NordVPN compare to other VPNs out there? When it comes to speed, NordVPN holds its ground against pretty much all the other major competitors out there. They also have a lot of stable connections in many countries. In terms of security, NordVPN has one of the best security features on the market right now. So great price, great features, great security, great value overall. So getting started with NordVPN is super easy. Here's how you can do it right now. Simply click on the link in the description box below. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. You can choose the 1 month plan, 1 year, 2 years. You can customize whatever you want. And then once you have signed up, simply download the NordVPN app on your device, log in, and you're good to go. This is also great for people that do a lot of traveling. So if you plan on going out of the country, you got to have a VPN, especially if you want to stay up to date on all your favorite shows in the US. So is NordVPN right for you? If you are looking for strong security, fast speed, and the ability to access content from anywhere, NordVPN is definitely worth considering. It is reliable, easy to use, and offers excellent customer service. Before you go, make sure to visit NordVPN, check out all the offers that they have right now, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel, press the like button. If you have any questions, comments, drop them in the comment section below, and see you in the next video. Peace out.